In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you on how to add comments and feedback to a Word document. This is a great way to collaborate and provide suggestions. Open your Word document. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Highlight the text where you want to add a comment. Click on the Comment button. Type your comment in the comment box that appears on the right side. Click outside the comment box to save it. To edit a comment, double-click on it. To delete a comment, right-click on the comment box and select Delete Comment. Alternatively, you can mark a comment as done, which will gray it out. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.